Hello everyone, welcome to another TTfone tutorial. Today we'll guide you through how to set up the human voice feature, adjust volume and sound profiles, and change the language on your TT990 device. Human voice setup. First, go to Settings. Scroll down and select System. Then tap on Keyboard and turn on Announce Digits during dialing. Once this is enabled, you can test it by dialing numbers using either the physical keypad or the on-screen keypad.
2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're now all set up. Volume and sound profiles. Next, go back to Settings and select Sound and Vibration. From here, you can adjust the volume levels for your device, including ringtones and other sounds. Simply increase or decrease the levels to suit your preference. You can also choose from over 50 built-in ringtones available on the device. For a quick shortcut, press and hold the hash key from the home screen to switch between silent, vibrate, and normal modes. Changing the language. To change the language, go to Settings, then System, and select Languages. Tap on Add a language and choose your preferred option from the list. Once selected, press and hold the language and drag it to the top to set it as your primary language, then tap Change. Your device will update automatically, and that's it. Simple and easy to follow. You're now all set up. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials coming soon.